Hi!
What is the today's last day? Kaya naman.
We're gonna go home later.
Yan
We're gonna ride an
naman.
airplane again, okay?
Yan naman. We're going to Francisco. Yan naman. Yan naman.
Okay.
Yan naman. Hi. Daddy said that it's mowing. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Si Dia naman. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't call me now, 'cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down. I say don't call me now, 'cause I'm better off without you. I don't need you around, don't need no one to hold me down.
Oh, may nakita. Hi, Mami. Morning.
Morning, Daddy.
Morning.
Akila. Oh, here's our last breakfast in Akila. And we're going home.
Yeah, our flight is later.
Yeah, it's at 11 a.m.
Okay,
Umaga yan.
good job.
Put some cream here.
Dion mixing the coffee, the creamer.
Be careful, okay? It's like Dede. Dede.
Tama na din, masyado na madaming creamer na.
Masyado.
Hi! Last breakfast namin dito.
Breakfast. Oh, Diyan naman. Ito natin ang vibe.
Mamaya pa.
Diyan na diyan. Anong oras na? Hi.
10:30.
10:30 pwede kumain. Bye-bye.
Ibang jacket pa. Hindi ito.
Dun, 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 dun. For my own expenses.
Thank you, Coron!
Thank you po.
Thank you, Coron! See you
Thank
next
po.
time. Dino.
We're going to Francisco D-Race Airport. B-Race Airport.
Okay, Dylan, Dion.
Hi. Pati the beach.
Thank you, Coron. Sabi mo.
Thank you, Coron.
See you
Bye-bye.
next time.
See you next time.
We're gonna ride an
Bye-bye.
airplane. Sabi mo.
We ride the airplane. Bye-bye.
Going home. Sabi mo.
We're
Going home.
going home.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.
Nice. Inang kahit pa paano.
Yeah, practice copy race. What's it copy race?
Bilis kay Mami. Bilis kay Mami. Hello. Umihi ka na, di ba? Every morning to sir. Go, go, go. Akit ka na.
Joke lang, Daddy.
Joke lang ba?
Opo.
Sure ka?
Wait lang, hindi ako uwi.
Ayan. Bye. Doon na sa paglikod.
Hi, we bought this at the Kariwa. We're going to airport to the Sabuba City.
Going to
Bye-bye.
Manila. Sabi mo, we're going to
We're going
Manila.
to Miami.
Going back to
bye-bye.
going home.
We're going home. Bye-bye.
Sa airport na. Kasi ba sabi mo sa airport na?
Iyan naman. Iyan naman. We're taking on our arrival hall. Iyan naman. Sama-sama pasigil naman. Anong kwento?
Number yun. Basahin mo. Bye. Raylan, we're here back in Manila. Hey. Loko. Yun yung baggage natin, oh. May damit. Wow. Sa TV, oh, yun, oh. Atin, di yun, yun, oh. Yung may color na yun, oh. Yun yung atin, oh. Yun yung baggage natin, di yun, oh. Kita mo? Yun, oh. Sabi ko pagkakuha na ng baggage. Tawag din saan tawagan, oh. Hawak nga, ano. Mami. Ayan na, nakita mo ng CCTV?
Opo.
Ayan na.
Daddy, ko mo na! Stop, Daddy! Yay!
We're going home na.
Yeah, we're going to transport for flight.
Tawagan na natin yung park and fly. Wait daw tayo sa arrival area. Okay? Let's go na. Ayun na sa labas.
Let me help you carry the luggage.
Okay, push mo lang yan. Push. Yan, ganyan mo. Push. Pag ganun, patagilid. Pag ganyan, okay? Good job. Bye-bye, Terminal 4. Bye-bye.